Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how I be streaming my movies and shows now. I'm sure a lot of you know about Showbox and Morpheus, Terrarium, whatever it's called. Those two seem to have been discontinued. I mean, you can still watch movies and shows on there, but nobody's updating the app more or less anymore. So I have switched over to this new one, and let's get into that right now. And that app is Popcorn Time. So what we're gonna do is open up Google right here. Type in popcorn time, hit search, and then go to popcorn-time.to. From here, you can download, I guess, the beta version. You gotta have Android 4.0 and above. Okay, that's cool. So we're gonna click that. And it says download file again because I already did it. So whatever, let's just download it again. This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to download it anyways? Yes, we do. And once it's downloaded, which has been downloaded, we'll just open it up and click on that. It's going to give us a warning, see for security, blah, 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 unknown sources. So we have to go into settings and allow unknown sources for this installation only. And now we're going to be able to install Popcorn Time. I can't click install because of the software, the screen capture software, but I'm going to do that and I'm going to come back and we're going to take a look at it. All right, once we get Popcorn Time installed, the first thing that we're going to want to do before we even open up that APK is run a VPN. Just so you don't get any stupid ass emails from your ISP or people of that nature. I'm using CyberGhost. If you guys don't have a paid VPN subscription, you can download a bunch of them for free. The only difference is like the speed, the servers, things of that nature. So let me just make sure I'm connected over here. And it says we're connected to Toronto, which is good. So we're gonna go open up Popcorn Time, and we're gonna take it from there. And we will pick Big Bang Theory. And as you can see, it gives you like a description of what the show is about, the rating. It also gives you a description of each episode, and you can switch the episodes simply by just clicking on which one you want, like that. You can switch the seasons like this. So I'll just go to season 12 for now. Go to, I guess, episode 7. And it gives us an option to play the file or download the file. What we're going to do is click play. So if we don't have a VPN activated, which I do, you're going to click activate VPN, obviously, and I guess they have like a free version that you can use. But once you do that, as you can see, there's 446 sources, I guess, that are found, and goes up and down. And what it does, it preloads and like pre-buffers. So usually when the episode starts going after that, it's flawless. Whereas like Showbox and Morpheus, I guess they had different ways of doing it. They would just find one or two and load it up like right away. This app takes a little longer, as you can see, for the episodes to load, but once they load, you're not going to get as many buffering, lagging issues, and things like that. And as you can see, the picture is freaking flawless.
It's amazing. I wish I had a playhouse like this when I was a kid.
Like, I don't know about you guys, but the picture looks pretty fucking good. And as you can see, even in there, it's already like pre-buffered and preloaded a shitload. So you should be good. That's pretty much how you get Popcorn Time, how you run Popcorn Time, and this is more or less my new favorite APK. If you guys know any better ones, like, or if you still use Showbox or Morpheus, let me know what you think or which ones you think are better. And check it out. Make sure to subscribe. Check out some of the music and enjoy. Peace.